So today I want to introduce you to the latest addition to our LED beacon range. This is a rechargeable magnetic LED beacon. Comes complete with a charging lead, and the new function on this one is we have a fob which makes it work by remote control. Once fully charged, this beacon has a 6-hour running time. So to activate the beacon, you just turn it on here. That function there is your single flash. So with your fob, you can change the function to double flash, triple flash, slow anti-clockwise rotation, slow clockwise rotation, fast anti-clockwise rotation, and fast clockwise rotation. This fob has a range of up to 30 meters from the beacon. It's an ideal beacon that can be used in agricultural, construction and off-road vehicles. Thanks very much for watching, folks, and remember, keep it lit.